All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking new tools. If you can't tell by the hat, we got a Cornwell rep. He's a cool dude, and we like him, so we spent a little money with him. I haven't spent a lot of money with him. I don't have an account. I just pay what I owe him when I buy something. So I haven't bought a ton from him, but he's a cool dude. First thing I bought is this slide hammer kit made in Taiwan. Part number is HRC 4579. Now, this is a Taiwan slide hammer kit, and it's the exact same one that Matco sells. Andrew has one, it's the exact same kit. Probably gear wrench, and I got it on sale, right around the same price I can buy the gear wrench kit on Amazon, so thought I'd give a local businessman some money. Cool kit, you know, I've used Andrew's, I have the attachments, but I never had a kit, and so I figured I'd get one. As you can see from the picture, it comes with a good bit of stuff. Help me pull axles, help me push CV axles in. It's a good kit. Andrew's had good luck with his, so I figured I'd get one too. Now, next thing I bought was this die grinder kit. Whole kit. Came in a nice blow molded kit with a bunch of pretty cool grinding discs and all sorts of accessories. Again, it was cheap. I got this for a nicer die grinder on Amazon. Not one of the top of the line ones, but a decent one, and I got the whole kit. So pretty happy with it. I really like these flap disc grinder wheels. And before anybody comments, I use it for cleaning hubs doing brake jobs, not for grinding off gaskets, okay? Brake jobs, not gaskets. So far, it's okay. I'm not going to give it a glowing endorsement. It's a decent die grinder. When you get the harder sanding discs and like that, it kind of can bog down. It has a multi-level adjustment on it, and quite frankly, I got it on max, and every now and then it still bogs down. Not unhappy with it. It's, you know, average. Not bad, not great. Overall, I am happy with it, so I like these flapper discs, so I'll keep using it. Now last tool I got is off of the JTC truck. JTC part number 4763. We've been getting hit with a lot of 1.6 Fords with the water pump failed. And I don't mean little failed, I mean failed. And a lot of high mileage cars, so no longer covered under warranty. So I bought the timing kit for it. It's got the crank holding tool, the cam holding tool. Not expensive, good little tool to have on hand, so good little selection of new to me tools. So hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.